SEO tools. Let's switch on Ahrefs. Let's see what Ahrefs gives us on the content. So content is just right. So the title tag has 60 characters and the description is just how it should be, 130 characters. And the headings are heading 1, Great Britain. No, heading, it doesn't seem to have an H1 heading according to Ahrefs. But it has a lot of H4s and H2s. These are headings. Use our moodometer. Moodometer is again a great coined word, moodometer. What are you looking for? And topics as headers. Okay, good. Caffeine free, again a benefit. So if you scroll down, this part here is the so-called hero section. I wrote about this on Medium and also on my website. So this is the hero section above the fold. It's also called above the fold copywriting. And unfortunately, if I scroll down there, I can see more benefits. Maybe this benefit of caffeine free could have been put somewhere here up on the top, maybe here, alongside with award-winning tea, ethical tea, and community, but that's the pick. The subscribe button is here. So it's like subscription is an important segment for them. This is a web shop, so and it's a fairly high on the structure of this website. And then you've got top picks, best selection, best offers, almost gone, and an interesting moodometer with these figures, like these faces, sleepy, hungover, grumpy. So use our moodometer. How are you feeling today? Are you feeling bloated? Okay, what's it going to, if I click on bloated, then the address, the URL changes to bloated 2 and bloated. So you've eaten too many chocolate biscuits and now you can't move. Yep, we've all been there. Here's some teas that might help to restore some normality. There's loads to choose from and they all taste delicious. And so we've got a selection of 13 products which counter or which help you if you're bloated. Peppermint tea